Coming up on an all-new Osiyo Voices of the Cherokee People.
My motivation is really just to make things better for the animals.
Jamie Suarez on being a voice for the voiceless and why she made it her life's work to better the lives of animals through community collaboration and education. Plus, Cherokee genealogist Ashley Thirsty Van opens up the past, exploring family stories and histories, and shares with us the importance of knowing where we come from.
It is a way to preserve my ancestors' history.
And for many of our Cherokee ancestors, their final steps in the original homelands were on to Blythe Ferry. We learn about Blythe Ferry and the tragic significance it held to the Cherokees who crossed there during our forced removal to Indian Territory.
They still had such a hard road and such an arduous journey ahead with even more loss. I think it's hard for any of us today to fathom.
And Cherokee standout Gabe Simpson, an NCAA athlete, pre-med student, and role model from small-town Oklahoma, looking to bring his skills back to the Cherokee Nation.